Hey, I'm Patricia, your rideshare angel. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm in the same predicament as you. You're probably thinking, hey, are they going to extend the extra $600 that we've been receiving since the shutdown for unemployment? Hey, are there going to be jobs out there while I am doing these mandatory 3 work searches that is required a week from unemployment? Hey, are people even going to be driving, or any passengers want to be picked up to go anywhere? I know all these things are going through your mind as well as mine. We are just getting bombarded with a lot of things. Like, it's just so traumatic to most of us. COVID is real. Social injustice is real. Of course, like everything, you will want to put your health first. So when making all these decisions, please do not make it based on lack of money. But we are forced to have to survive. So I'm just hoping and praying that they're going to extend the extra $600 that we Uber and Lyft drivers receive with our unemployment, because that really does help us. It helps our families by saying, hey, I don't have to rush out there in such an uncertain world. We do not know how everything is even fully being, even the government, even the CDC is figuring out stuff as they go. That's why they don't want to trip up on their words. But I say this to you, and I wanted to take the time and do this video to encourage you, like myself, to stay positive and to know that we know people love to go places. We've seen how fast they were out when they gave us the go, the green light, and then we see how fast things are now shutting down because they gave us that green light. But what you saw in that green light is that people wanted to get back out. People want to fly. People want to travel. People want to take Uber and Lyft. People want to come to your restaurant. People do not want to be in the house. Not all the time, and definitely not forcefully. So just believe and know that I believe everything's going to work out for us. Uber and Lyft drivers, we're going to be back out there at a very high demand. So just be encouraged. And Patricia, your rideshare angel, is here for you. Follow the rules. Do your work searches. Good luck with finding a job. Continue to stay safe. And also, remember to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.